to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so here we are at the Dollar Tree, taking a look to see what they have. Come on with me, guys. You see this color red? It is catching my eye this year. I am absolutely loving this color red. Okay, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Okay guys, so this is a quick reminder that tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the It's Christmas Time tier tray collaboration. That's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. I am so excited. I cannot wait to see you there. I am also hosting the last minute DIY or last minute decorating. So if you have either one of the two, I have opened the playlist until Christmas Day. So the host of this collab is Deborah Cabasa Home Living and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And it's called Last Minute DIYs or Last Minute Decorating. So guys, if you have any of these last minute things going on, upload the video and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Okay, now the Dollar Tree, as you can see, has stepped up their game, their decorations, and just everything for Christmas looks absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.